people persons. Today we're going to do IV cube tutorial. And it's going to be really easy. So you can see the master of ceremonies, Mr. Doggy Doo Doo. He's very friendly and is really dumb. IQ 0.1. Okay, whatever that is. Okay, so first step you gotta do is just simply just solve yellow, green, orange, yeah, and green. Okay, so first yellow. Let's just do yellow. You don't have to do yellow first. You just do all of them. But I'm just gonna do yellow first. It makes no difference because they're all easy. So what I do orange. I don't know. I'm gonna do green instead right now. Okay, now they're all solved. So now we have this. So we just do this and flip it over so it can be red all chunks and chunks. Okay. So now we have it. Flip over so the red's on this side, blue's on this side, white's on top. Okay. Now this is what you gotta do. You gotta move the red down. Move the red corner up. And bring the red back up, connect it to the red corner, so we got the red side done. Okay, now we have all three unsolved in a row, which is where it gets easy. Okay, so here you gotta bring that white down to this white. Yeah, you just gotta get them together. Then you see that blue, bring it up there, go up. Green goes there. Green chunk goes down there, and then we're done. It's pretty easy. Okay, bye farts, bags, fart, poop blobs, doggy doo-doos, whatever, Mr. Doggy Doo-doos, coins, beans, alcoholins, and all those other creatures, pillows, pintos, tubs, dragons, and stuff, brown beans and stuff. Okay, and especially explosive nuclear diarrhea explosions.